Hello, welcome to CAD 100 at Estrella Mountain Community College. I will be your instructor. My name is Rudy Aguilar. I'm happy that you're here to join me. This course, CAD 100, is going to teach you about the basic two-dimensional operations of AutoCAD, teaching you mechanical drafting and dimensioning techniques. Let me tell you a little bit about myself, because you'll be learning AutoCAD throughout the semester, and you want to know who's teaching you. I created the course about 5 years ago and have been updating it ever since, taking over from a previous instructor here who did a great job with some of the content. You will hear his voice at some point now and then in preparation for some of the content that I felt that his information was much better than the way I could present it. Otherwise, most of the content is mine. With that said, I've been teaching AutoCAD for over 20 plus years, and I have been doing that both at a high school, which is Apollo High School in Glendale, Glendale Community College, and here at Estrella Mountain. I'm very comfortable with the interface of the program and will help you along the way. I make my videos in a way that will help you navigate the complex software so that you will feel more comfortable being able to navigate it independently after you finish this course. I live in Glendale, Arizona. I'm originally from Tucson, Arizona. My background started with taking drafting classes in high school. That inspired me to go into engineering, and I studied that at the University of Arizona and have a degree in civil engineering. I became a teacher soon after and have been coaching and teaching ever since. Now that I'm in Glendale and nearing retirement, I am excited to start another path on my career, and that is to pursue other interests that I haven't had a chance to explore. So I am happy to have you here and look forward to getting to know you as well as we work together to make you successful as a future drafter, engineer, architect, interior designer, whatever the case may be. And good luck to you. Thanks.